Hi, this is the team from Easel, and today we're going to be talking about how to edit points and nudge points in Easel. To start, we have to create something that has points. So for this instance, I'm going to use the pen tool, and I'm going to use the straight line tool. I'm going to create a bunch of different points. And anytime I use the pen tool, anytime I click and set a point, that's one of the points in Easel, or that's how we would set a point, or what a point looks like in Easel. Another example would be if I were to bring in something from the Pro Design library, such as this popsicle. And what I can do is if I select an object, I can click on Edit Points here, and then it will change the view of the object, and I can see all the points for the object. And I can select one by clicking on it, and I can change the point on the object to either curved or straight. And when I change it to straight, it changes some of the views of the object, or I can keep it curved. In this instance, with the line that I drew, if I click on Edit Points and maybe make this one curved, it changes the way that my line is drawn. And I can adjust that further by clicking and holding on the point to move it around, or grabbing the arms of this point to change kind of the structure of the curve. I can also, if I want to move the point very minimally, use my arrow keys to nudge the point. And this moves it very incrementally in any direction I use my arrow key. If I hold the arrow key, it'll move it continuously. If I tap it, it will move it one kind of segment at a time. And that's a little bit more about editing points in Easel and how to nudge them. I will also mention that you can edit points on imported SVGs as well. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.